We just want to introduce ourselves before we present our song. We are very fortunate, first of all, to be here this afternoon. It is a pleasure for us to be able to worship here together with you, our brothers and sisters from the BAC or the Bach Church. We are from different parts of Africa. My name is Norris. He is from Papua New Guinea, actually. He's up in Africa, he's from Papua New Guinea. He is Emmanuel, Edwin, and Lasso. So the first song that we're going to present to you this morning is entitled Better Than Life. The reason why we've chosen this song is because we believe that there is a love that is better than our own lives itself, and that's the love of God, and we just want to share that love to you this afternoon. God bless you.
Amen.
My soul is thirsting for you, 'cause your love